Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove anything from image without Photoshop. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search the InPaint. Click first website theinpaint.com. Now click upload image and select image. Here select this tool and select the object that you want to remove. Selected area is turned into red. Click on Erase button. You can see the object has been removed. If something left, you can select area and erase that portion too. Same as it is, you can remove this text also. Select the area and click Erase button. Now click Download button. So you can see the person and text is removed from the image. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest update.